Jada une dati baba na dota sonda live. I dota sonda live but it's okay. And real life but da kono nda live. Like real life but da kono nda live ningo phone ndukubude kana nithi kenga yata. Ngenda kona pa ningo phone.
Now you can come
We are here. Madam man. W's in the chat. Oh, they're alive. We were just snacking one. Yes, Mundo on there. This is what I'm eating, guys. This is what I'm eating. We are live, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Tap in the comment section. Wagwan, nothing. Let's come and get our Mundo number. Where are you watching me from? In Boots, guys. 30 people. Let's go. Hey, Uncle, may I say? I'm chilling. What's up, Island? May I say? Off the table, one. Chakunda Zumbi, boy. Where are you from? Zimbabwe. See you in Cape Town. Welcome back, bro. Where are you, Press? I'm in Zimbabwe, guys. I'm eating this. I'm in the ghetto, as you can see. Zambia. Wagon Kukafue, Zambia. I'm in Zimbabwe, guys, right now. I just wanted to say, I just wanted to chill with ain't that zip one, no? Mune ma drink at place. Mune ma drink. Mune fanda. Alright, Pio drink that. That's zip one. What's it not zip? Cola box. Boy, man. Inspiration, wait a say. Okay, near that one. Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you so much. Right. Oh, sorry. Where is your girlfriend? I'm gonna drop the vlog. I'm gonna drop a vlog soon. I'm gonna drop a vlog soon. Yeah. And then oh. Cheers. Feels so good to be back home, guys. So I didn't tell us you were going to do live with when did I say that? Did you apply for class okay stream and I saw my application down there with us. I wanna apply though. But it will be a win for us all. Guys, keep back here to guys. Which garden green? I just watched TikTok. This is my favorite YouTube. Thank you so much. I will love you, bro. I love you too. Can you go? And you can come on. But I'm sure I would see it. Kuti vakawanda vaone. Kuti vakawanda vaone. Andika. Ndizvo chaizvo zvadoti nyika inake. Nyika inake. Kana ndomira live now ngozaita. Watenga dasotira dzinge. Komatira zigi racho. Thank you so much. Mera basi.
Mari mimi choifanya.
Zvesto itika. Imaripi. Ko mbona ngari kwani manyowani? Wow. Wana music guys. Ndakasi asara buda ke. Kene very live. Zvesto itika ngoba. Alright guys, ndaida kukudzeti mangwana episode 1 nemakapo exchange. Tikudona mangwana tikupe 2 videos. Ndikupe vlog ndakarene then ndikupe couples exchange phones mangwana tomorrow. That's what I wanted to say. Saka stay tuned guys. Ndakumboita zvantu kuita kana. Whatever. Dachi? Ndiripa live. Uchabudisa ngini manje.
Lawo enda kusini. Awusathi. Afuna kule kwala.
Zviri nani. So guys, tonana guys. Ini ndakumboita zvantu kuita pana. Uona dzadza, wakaona tobudisa chat pa screen like this. Wazona?
Sadaro.
Unobudisa chat.
YouTube direct.
Oh. Yeah. Anzi, Mr. Preza, please just say hi to my sister Ashi on that live. Please, she's watching you now. Ashi, what want to hear? What's up, Ashi? Kutase? Nyangoni chiro zero. What's up, Ashi? Oire. Shout out to you. Guys, bye-bye. My couples exchange mangwana. Your team is the biggest. Yes, Cape Town. How are you, bro? What's up, Rangers? What happened to your car? I left it in SA. Praise God. Bye-bye, guys. Mangwana. Wagwan Savage from Tari. Tuonana, guys. As you didn't tell me you're coming. I'm back. Let's go. Couples exchange tomorrow, guys. How do I end this one?